Today we are going to discuss ether. So ether, first of all, type of ether, classification of ether. So classification of ether. How many types of ethers are there generally? Two type of ethers. One is symmetrical, another is unsymmetrical. Unsymmetrical. Now this symmetrical and unsymmetrical, what is the main difference? Suppose I am writing CH3OCH3. This is the symmetrical ether, in which ether mainly O should be there, and two groups which is attached with this O is alkyl group or aryl group. It may be aryl also. So this is, if both the sides same alkyl or same aryl group is there, then this is called symmetrical ether. If I am writing CH3O C2H5, that means both the group are not same alkyl. So if both the group is not same alkyl, then it is an unsymmetrical ether. Okay, and another type also we can discuss. This is what? This is the alkyl aryl ether, and another one is what, that is diaryl ether. Alkyl aryl ether means, suppose I am writing C6H5, one is aryl group, another is alkyl group, simple. Then it is alkyl aryl ether. Am I clear? Alkyl aryl ether. And if I tell that both the sides C6H5 or any other aryl group is there, then we tell it as C6H5. Then it is what? Diaryl ether. This type of diaryl ether. Okay. So this is aromatic ether only. These are all aromatic ether, and these two are aliphatic ether. So these are the main classification, which is not so much important in your board exam. This type of question nobody will ask you, but you should know about the symmetrical and unsymmetrical thing. Another thing is what, the nomenclature, which is very important. Nomenclature, if you remembered, I already discussed it in the phenol, and once I discussed the nomenclature of phenol, in that video only I have said about the nomenclature of ether also. Then also, for your convenience, I am telling you it again. What is the nomenclature? How we are doing this one? See, suppose if the ether is CH3O CH3, simple, this molecule is there. Then name or IUPAC name, what is the method we are telling? It is what? Methoxy, any one, both are same, no problem. Then so it is methyl group, so we are telling as CHO as methoxy. Okay, methoxy. If it is C2H5O, then it will be ethoxy. Okay, if it is C3H3CH2 CH2O, then it will be propoxy. So we can understand this one will be methoxy. Any one side we will take it as methoxy, and another one is CH3, so one carbon ether, so we are telling it as the methane. So it will be methoxymethane. The name will be methoxymethane. Similarly, if I tell CH3O C2H5, now the question arises, then which one we will call as methoxy or ethoxy? Which one we will call? So always remember that if it is two different alkyl group, then it will be always the bigger group. When this one here, ethyl group is having the 2 carbon and methyl is having the 1 carbon, so it is always the bigger alkyl group in by which we will call it. That means what? It will be methoxy ethane. Am I clear? The main branch will be main name of the ethane will be like main carbon chain will be 2 carbon chain ether. Okay, so it will be ethane. If it is CH3O CH2 CH2 CH3, then it will be what? Then it will be methoxy again, smaller one always we call as the oxy. Okay, so methoxy, and it will be propane, no gap. Methoxy propane, there is no gap. Okay, this is the main name. We can tell it. Suppose if it is CH3O CH3 CH3. Suppose this type of thing is there. So main chain is what? Main chain, if you calculate from, if you count it from 1 2, then second chain this functional group is attached. But if we are counting from this one 1 2 and 3, then second chain 1 2 and 3, both are same. So any side we can calculate. So this one is what? It will be 1 2, and from this side also 1 2, from this side also 1 2, so it will be 2. Okay, so what will be the name of this compound? It will be 2-methoxy. This methoxy is attached with the second carbon, so 2-methoxy. And the main chain is what? Actually it is also 1 2 3 carbon chain, so it is also propane, 2-methoxy propane. So am I clear? This is the way of doing, of naming this ether. So suppose if it is one of the group is suppose one of the group is C6H5 OCH3, then generally we tell it as the methoxybenzene. Okay, methoxybenzene. So this is the normal thing and common nomenclature of the what? Ether. Okay, no more today. Next class I'll tell you about the preparation method. Thank you, class.